Last time we saw smoke coming from Tubi's engine. We took her to Kia, but they said they couldn't work on her. But Olga came to our rescue, and they finally agreed to look at our van. In this episode, we show you the truly shocking conclusion to our van repair. We meet some super cute kids on the side of the road, and take a look around one of the most beautiful cities in Russia.
Hey guys! Actually, we are in the Kia service center today from 9 a.m. Actually, we slept in Kia service center parking spot last night. The city was flooded actually. So anyways, we are still waiting. It's almost 6 p.m. They're taking a car and they can fix it or not. So we are waiting for that one. But you know, like the sweet thing is they brought this one. Can you read it? We regret that you had to spend the whole day waiting for your car. Hope this present make you more happy. And then they give us a sweet thing. Sweet thing always make you happy, right? So we're gonna wait and see the TV will be okay or not. I mean, if she's not okay, just only problem is AC. So let's see. They can fix it, right? But anyways, I'm happy with the chocolate. I love it. They fixed the car. Like, it took whole day. Thank you for Kia. Seriously, that mechanical guy worked really hard. It's working.
Nice. Free, is it?
Really?
Oh wow.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Oh,
You're welcome.
thank you. Oh my god. Oh my. Took a whole day. Yesterday they took the car, and then today like the mechanic guy. Everyone's working hard, and it's free. They fixed her for free. I cannot believe that. Now I feel like, oh, it's not right.
Good place.
Well, we get so much love when you're traveling, so I don't know, everything's so overwhelming. Like every time something just happens, it just make me cry. And I think I need to cry a little bit though. Just happy cry. You know, when you're getting older, when you're happy, you cry. When you're upset, it's okay, it's normal. But when you have like a lot of love going on or happy, just like make me cry. Oh, I just cannot believe. We're leaving the town, but still we're talking about the Kia service center, like what they have done for us today and yesterday. Thanks to like Olga, to Sergey, and mechanical guy, we couldn't get his name, but all the stuff in the Kia, thank you so much. Anyways, we're leaving the town, but Yekaterinburg, this city is pretty too, so please guys come visit. It's a nice city.
This time of the year, the skies really don't get black till almost midnight. So we kept on driving, but the countryside was covered in mist, which did look a bit spooky. After camping in a farmer's field for the night, we woke up to a sunny day and fields covered in flowers. Along the side of the road, we saw people selling fresh picked berries. Hi.
Hi.
You selling the berries?
뭐야? 이거 스트로베리 아니야?
Strawberry? Yes.
아, 스트로베리 이게 작은 거네.
우리 먹어볼래?
응, 한번 먹어보자. How much is one?
Одну.
250. Я не знаю,
Сейчас
там
скажу.
ап-
Сейчас
это-
скажу. 250.
250.
비싸?
Let's get one.
Oh, it's pretty.
А можно Я вот сюда вот.
아, 오케이. 저기 다 맞으나 봐.
What's your name?
Kate.
Kate.
Yes.
She
I-
has same name as
I'm Mark. This is Lucy.
Lucy.
What's your name?
What is country for you?
We're
South Korea?
Korea.
Ah.
Okay, thank
All right, thank you guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Yay! We got the story. 이런 작은 딸기예요, 딸기. 혹시 이게 뭔지 아시는 분 계신가요? If you guys know like what kind of berry it is, just like give us comments. 케이트 잔 잘 먹을게. 이쁘게 딸기 따줘서 고마워.
Up until now, the roads have been pretty good since entering back into Russia. We had hoped it would continue, but that didn't happen. We were back to dirt roads and crossing some sketchy bridges. But it was something we'd gotten pretty used to by now. We were almost in the World Cup host city of Kazan, where Korea miraculously beat the Germans, the defending World Cup holders. Our original plan was to see Korea play in the World Cup, but even after beating Germany, they failed to qualify for the knockout stage. So we decided to slow down and spend a couple days in Kazan. Maybe we could at least soak in some good vibes from their last victory.
여러분 굿모닝입니다. 저희는 카잔에 무사히 도착했고요. 지금은 제가 있는 곳은 보행자의 거리, 그러니까 차가 들어올 수 없는 거리에 있어요. 오늘 카잔을 좀 걸어다니면서 좀 둘러보려고 하고 있습니다.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
카잔 도시를 둘러봤는데요. 너무 아름답고 너무 이뻐요. 보행자 거리에서 시작해서 쭉 걸어서 여행을 시작했거든요. 한국과 독일이 경기를 열었던 곳입니다. 한국이 승리를 했죠. 자, 이제 다시 보행자의 거리로 돌아가서요. 아까 봤던 식당에 가서 저녁을 좀 챙겨 먹으려고 하고 있습니다. 맛있죠? 러시아에서 시푸드 먹는 건 진짜 처음인 것 같은데? different. 맛있다. 맛있다. 짠! 이게 마지막입니다, 여러분. It's the last one. Seriously, yeah. 오늘도 수고하셨습니다.
We ended the evening watching this really cool group of musicians perform for a grateful audience. Kazan turned out to be one of the most beautiful and vibrant cities we've ever come across. Certainly not what we were expecting to find in Russia. But the longer we spend in this country, the more we really fall in love with Russia and the friendly, helpful, generous people who live here. So we say goodbye to Kazan and hello to Moscow. But for that, you'll have to wait till next time.
What do you think about the video? Do you guys like it? Share your thought below comment, it will help us a lot. Oh, if you like the video, hit the like button. It will give us the power to create more videos. Right next to subscribe button, there is a bell button. If you click the button, you will get notification when we upload the videos. But if you don't, you might miss our videos a lot. So if you didn't click bell button, please go there and then click it. If you're new to our channel, click here to subscribe and you will see more videos. Other videos will show here. If you missed our videos, click here to check it. Then, bye bye!